you pass the salt, the world of politeness of wood. He said he would come, a relayed promise now uncertain. I thought you would call an expectation that didn't come true. If I had time, I would help you. The conditional world, if this, then that. This is the land of hypothesis, of non-guaranteed action. It could be that we are late, that could be true. He might be right. Could that have happened? It could have been an accident. Everything is possible, nothing is certain. It is the grammar of doubt, of possible explanation. Anything could happen. What would you do in my situation? A thought experiment. I wouldn't know an honest uncertainty. That's how I would do it too. Agreement in theory. It would be better if you wait. Well-intended advice. I wish it were warmer. A desire against reality. I would prefer to leave early, a preferred option. I would never have done that. Moral certainty about a choice not made. It could be that we are late. That could be true. He might be right. Could that have happened? It could have been an accident. Everything is possible, nothing is certain. It is the grammar of doubt, of possible explanation. Anything could happen. He's probably tired. They are probably on their way, that's probably it. That might well be the case. From assumed certainty to cautious confirmation. There should be another copy that should be finished according to the schedule. The delivery would take place yesterday. He would be an expert. There would be problems. The world of obligation, planning and assumptions that clash with reality. That's how it should be, the ideal picture. You should actually know a reprimand. Just your bad luck, missed opportunities. It would not be for me, personal rejection. He would never admit it. Character analysis. We would have arrived if the train hadn't been delayed. The alternative history, the mischance. It would be time. A defined expectation. It could be that we are late. That could be true. He might be right. How would you solve that? How boring life would be without not only doubts, but now also a question about solutions and an awareness of gratitude. Anything could happen, and then what? Would you also like to go? The invitation remains. I wouldn't dare say that. Ultimate caution. We will see the bridge back to the real future. And then silence. The land of wood has no definitive answers, only possibilities.